Tonight, we celebrate 9 individuals whose vision, passion, and knowledge have changed lives around the world. Engineers who study friction and wear to squeeze data into almost unimaginably small spaces. Engineers who explore the science behind machines that use electric arcs and electrochemical action for precision cuts and specialized materials. And engineers who use techniques first developed to study the flow of fluids across airfoils to better understand the flow of blood in the human body. Tonight we honor engineers who couple deep insight with the power of computers to model failure in materials. Engineers who expand the use of tools for design and analysis to improve healthcare, manufacturing, and safety. And engineers who develop instruments to study the growth of cells and to make Nobel Prize-winning discoveries about the quantum behavior of electrons. Tonight we pay tribute to engineers who spend countless hours bringing colleagues together to build consensus in the development of codes and standards. Engineers who study heat and mass transfer in complex systems with important applications in medicine and industry. And engineers who innovate in the commercialization of space with rockets that launch valuable and sometimes whimsical cargo into orbit. Tonight, we applaud these 9 award recipients for their outstanding contributions to science and engineering at the 2018 ASME Honors Assembly.